Welcome to Technify. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best Mini ITX cases of 2024. If you're a PC builder looking to create a compact and powerful system, these Mini ITX cases offer the perfect blend of size, features, and compatibility. We'll explore the standout features, design, and cooling solutions that make each of these cases a top choice for builders of all levels. Whether you're building a high-performance gaming rig or a quiet and efficient workstation, you'll find the perfect Mini ITX case for your needs here. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and give us a thumbs up so you never miss an update from Technify. Let's get started. Number 5. Thermaltake Tower 100. The Thermaltake Tower 100 is a compact, vertical Mini ITX case that stands out with its unique design and exceptional build quality. Featuring 3 panoramic tempered glass panels, this case offers a stunning view of the interior components, making it an excellent choice for showcasing high-end hardware. Despite its small footprint, the Tower 100 provides ample space for a powerful build, supporting a full-size GPU and CPU coolers up to 190 mm in height. The case is designed with optimal airflow in mind, including pre-installed 120 mm fans and extensive ventilation to keep components cool. Its modular design and tool-free installation make assembly straightforward, appealing to both novice builders and experienced enthusiasts. Additionally, the Tower 100 includes convenient I/O ports, including USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, ensuring fast connectivity for modern peripherals. Its sturdy construction and elegant aesthetics make it a standout piece in any setup, blending functionality with eye-catching design. Whether you're building a powerful gaming rig or a sleek workstation, the Thermaltake Tower 100 offers a perfect balance of performance and style. The case's versatility and ease of use make it a top choice for anyone looking to create a striking and efficient Mini ITX build. With its innovative design and robust features, the Thermaltake Tower 100 sets a new standard for compact PC. With its innovative design and robust features, the Thermaltake Tower 100 sets a new standard for compact PC cases. Its blend of aesthetics and functionality makes it an exceptional choice for any enthusiast. Number 4. Raijintek Ophion Elite. The Raijintek Ophion Elite is a sleek and compact Mini ITX case designed for high-performance builds. This case features a premium brushed aluminum exterior, offering a modern and minimalist aesthetic that fits seamlessly into any setup. Despite its small size, the Ophion Elite can accommodate powerful components, including a full-size GPU and an SFXL power supply, making it an ideal choice for gamers and enthusiasts who demand performance without sacrificing style. The case is engineered for optimal airflow, with extensive ventilation and support for multiple cooling options, including liquid cooling radiators up to 240 mm. Its modular design and tool-free installation ensure an easy and efficient build process, appealing to both novice and experienced builders. Additionally, the Ophion Elite includes a versatile I/O panel with USB 3.0 and USB Type-C ports for fast and convenient connectivity. Combining elegance with functionality, the Raijintek Ophion Elite sets a new standard for Mini ITX cases, making it a top choice for those looking to create a powerful and stylish compact PC build. Number 3. Corsair 2000D RGB Airflow. The Corsair 2000D RGB Airflow ** is a high-performance Mini ITX case designed to deliver exceptional cooling and striking aesthetics. Featuring a mesh front panel and side vents, this case ensures maximum airflow to keep your components cool even under heavy loads. The 2000D RGB Airflow includes 3 pre-installed RGB fans, which can be customized via Corsair's ICUE software, adding a vibrant and dynamic look to your build. Despite its compact form factor, the case supports full-size GPUs and multiple storage options, making it ideal for gamers and creators who need both performance and flexibility. The tool-free design and removable dust filters make installation and maintenance straightforward, while the integrated cable management system helps keep your build clean and organized. With its combination of functionality, style, and superior cooling capabilities, the Corsair 2000D RGB Airflow is a top choice for anyone looking to build a powerful and visually stunning Mini ITX system. Number 2. Lian Li A3. The Lian Li A3 is a compact and stylish Mini ITX case designed for builders who want a blend of elegance and performance in a small form factor. Crafted from premium aluminum, the A3 offers a sleek and minimalistic design that complements any setup. Despite its small size, this case is engineered to accommodate high-performance components, including full-size GPUs and an SFX power supply. The case features excellent airflow with multiple fan mounting options and support for liquid cooling solutions, ensuring that your system stays cool under load. Its modular design and tool-free assembly make building and upgrading your PC straightforward and hassle-free. Additionally, the Lian Li A3 includes a versatile I/O panel with USB 3.1 and USB Type-C ports, offering modern connectivity options. Combining sophistication with functionality, the Lian Li A3 is an ideal choice for those seeking to create a powerful and elegant Mini ITX build. The Lian Li A3 is a standout option for those seeking a compact, powerful build with a focus on both style and functionality. Its blend of premium materials and thoughtful design makes it an exceptional choice for any enthusiast. Number 1. Fractal Design Pop Mini. The Fractal Design Pop Mini is a compact micro ATX case that combines practicality with stylish design. With its clean lines and minimalist aesthetic, the Pop Mini is perfect for users who want a sleek and understated build. Despite its small footprint, this case offers ample space for powerful components, including support for full-size GPUs and multiple storage options. The Pop Mini is designed for efficient airflow, featuring mesh front and top panels that allow for excellent cooling potential. It also includes pre-installed fans to help maintain optimal temperatures right out of the box. The case's modular interior and tool-free drive installation make building and upgrading your system straightforward and hassle-free. Additionally, the tempered glass side panel provides a clear view of your components, allowing you to showcase your build with pride. The Fractal Design Pop Mini is an excellent choice for anyone looking to create a powerful, compact system without sacrificing style or functionality. The Fractal Design Pop Mini also features a versatile front I/O panel, offering USB 3.0 ports and audio jacks for easy connectivity. Its sound-dampened panels help reduce noise, making it ideal for quiet builds. With its combination of compact size, premium features, and elegant design, the Pop Mini stands out as a top choice for building a sleek and efficient micro ATX system. And that concludes today's exploration of tech wonders here on Technify. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. You won't want to miss our daily dives into the latest and greatest in technology. Also, let us know your favorite tech marvel in the comments. So stay tuned for more top-tier tech reviews.